Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can download the product video on Aliexpress. So you want to download the product video from Aliexpress for drop shipping or some other reason, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to download a product video from Aliexpress in very easy way. It's a very simple process, you'll have no problem doing it. So the first thing you want to do is open a browser and open an ad that has a product video in it from AliExpress. Once you open the ad with the product video that you want to download, what you want to do is double click on the URL, then replace the www with M. Once you replace the www with M, what will happen is the page that you open will turn into a mobile page. You can see now, see here is the product video. Now what you want to do in order to download the video is right click, then tap on save video as. Once you tap on that, download the video. Once you download the video, you can see that the video from AliExpress has been downloaded. So this is how you can download a product video from AliExpress. So that was a simple process in order to download a product video from AliExpress. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.